Greetings and salutations, YouTube. I am Skrander Sephora, and I just woke up. But the moment I did, I was thinking maybe it's downstairs. Maybe it is. What is it? Well, you obviously know what I'm talking about from the title of this video. But first I want to say my attempts to make it myself. Kind of. Google Cardboard. Google Cardboard. You know where you put your phone in it? But yeah. Now for that, it almost worked. Oculus. Well, not Oculus, it's Google Cardboard. Anyway, enough about that thing. For those of you that want to try it, you can just, it's just self-crafted Google Cardboard, but no. That's not what this is about. This is about the Oculus Rift that I ordered about, less than a week ago. Less than a week ago I ordered it. It was Thursday. And it's Thursday now, right? No. Yes, it is. Exactly a week ago. I paid for the order, and it came today. Like it has to find... Okay, so anyway, enough of that. I got it right here. This is an unboxing. This is my first ever making an unboxing, so sorry if it sucks, but it's very, very cool. Okay. Here it is. This is the closing. Probably not important, but yeah. So I'm just reading this. OculusVR.com. Alright, whatever. So it came from California? Yes, it did. Okay. Enough of that. Sorry if the lighting's not so great, but here's the box it came in. Alright, whatever. Let's do this. Unboxing. I don't know if I have the equipment to... I should have thought about this, actually. Wait, I have my keys. Put on my belt. Anyway. Let's see. This key. Found it a long time ago on the ground. Never use it, so I can't damage it. Some place here. I'm so excited for this. I just had to make a video on it. This will hopefully get some amazing results. If I can just get this thing open, I'll have some fun with this. And some psychology projects on my family. If I want to try it out. Yeah, here's the cardboard. Okay, that's the... No. That's not what came. Oh, wow. There's a handle on it. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see because of the lighting, but yeah, there's a handle on it. Oh, look, it even says DK2 on it. Development Kit 2. What, this is like the box again? Oh, that's very nice. Okay. So, I'm going to see if I can, not damage the box that came in. Oh, look. Oculus. Okay. There's a few more things I need to unseal here. I can't peel that. I don't have any long nails, so I'm just going to... That was easy. Do this, right? There we go. Okay. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm really excited about this. Okay. Oh wow, it just opens this way. Okay, so it opens this way. Oh my gosh. It's just wrapped in plastic, but oh my gosh, I can see it. Oh, I might have to remove my glasses and my hat. Throw away. Do not eat. Right, here we go. What's this? It's the Oculus. Yes. Smells like it just came out of the factory. Sorry. You always like that smell of things being brand new. I do. It's like Oh my gosh, my heart. I can feel it. Like, look, I got one. It's so cool. Oh my. Always wanted one of these. I almost got one of these a year ago. Okay, so here's the cable for it. Wait, oh yeah, is it attached? Okay, so here's what happened before I go any further. When I woke up, because I'm going night shifts now, but when I woke up, I was like, maybe it's here. Probably not. It's probably gonna be a day late, but no, it's here. So as soon as I walked downstairs, there was a box at the door, but the UPS guy was just walking away. I'm like, hey, just in case I needed to sign for it, I didn't want to risk it, even though I saw the word Oculus on it, but I just had to make sure. Anyway, so he's like, no, it's right over there. I'm like, okay. Okay, all right. Let's do this. This is how it is right now. It's Oculus right there, and there's a thing right there. Sorry if the lighting's not so great. This is all I can do for now. But anyway, we had that cord wrapped. No, I don't want to get it in. I don't want to damage anything. So oh, there's a USB. Oh, and there's an HDMI. What? HDMI and USB. Interesting. I think that means I'll need to hook it up to an HDMI TV and or in case I want to project what I'm seeing on a TV. That's kind of cool. I don't know. I'm not really a developer, but I wanted to develop it too for making videos. Because I want to experiment with this. But when the DK1 came out, I didn't want that because it was low resolution. Oh yes. All right. Let's see. There appears to be a coiled. Well, it's zip tied. It's unzip tying this right now. Okay, so there's another one. Another zip tie here. All right. So here's the cord. It's all one long cord. But at the end I see that there's USB. Oh yeah, here it is. Oculus. There's a little Oculus eye on that. You probably can't see that, but this end has HDMI and Oculus with an eye on it, and the USB. There's an eye on the Oculus. Oh, both of them actually. HDMI has the eye icon. All right, so this. Okay, I'm gonna remove the hat. That's what I normally look like. For those of you that haven't seen me without the hat. Okay, so I might have to take off my glasses too. Sorry, this is not the best unboxing video, but it definitely needed to be done somehow. I probably could have found a desk or something, but whatever. It's my phone that's taking the photo or the video. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. I think that's it. No. Is it supposed to be like this? Doubt it. I doubt it. Hold on. Why did they put it through that? Wait a minute. I could move it. Actually, I think I kind of like it like this. See how the cord is kind of going through the top there, and then under the back of this. So I guess it would just go over my head. That's probably better for the cord, so it doesn't short out or anything. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh wait, let's remove this thing. Oh wow! Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, yeah, you can see that. Just had eyes in it. All right, I'm gonna take the glasses off. And yeah, there's gonna be a needle. So here I am at the Oculus. Look, I don't even have to hold it or support it. Can you see me? No. So here I am. This is what I'm gonna look like when I have it on my face. Yeah, it's cool. Alright, cool. Now that I've unboxed it, I'm gonna see if I can do some programming stuff to make this work. Thank you for watching my video of unboxing the Oculus Rift. Wait, hold on. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, there's other things in here. Hold on. Let's take this off. Oh, I wanted to wear an Oculus Rift. Wait, what? Okay, the video kind of paused for a second. I was like, what the hell happened? Anyway. So there's, before I end it here, there's a development kit too booklet. Quick start guide. Let's see here. So it tells you everything it came with. Oh wait, this is probably easier. So the headset with detachable cable, which is what I just showed you. 2 lenses, 2 sizes in cloth. Oh, so these are lenses. Okay, yeah, there's lenses in here. What might be able to help my Google Cardboard. Oh wait, wow, look. This is a box. This is the box itself. Oh. Is this an extra cable? I don't know. Oh, no, this is not. I'm going to have to look this up. This is a cable. It has like a something. I'm going to have to figure out what that is. So in here, what's in here? Wait, there's something else here. This is some. Oh, this is the camera that you put on top of the Oculus Rift. Wait, what is it called? What page is that on? Hold on. Oh, it's a step-by-step guide. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. It's the positional tracker. That's what that camera was. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow these instructions off camera. I just wanted to unbox it, and now I'm going to actually do some stuff with it. Thanks for watching. Skraner Sephora out. I forget to peace off. So it's about time I peace off to you dudes. Skraner Sephora out.